Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review over a Luvme wig. This is my first time trying them. They did send me a wig out, so this video is sponsored, and so let's get right into it. So like I said, this is my first time having a wig from them. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I am so in love with this packaging. This packaging is everything. Presentation, yes. So it says Luvme hair affordable luxury wig, and this packaging is definitely luxury. Okay, so let's get into this box. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this beautiful ribbon off. And I have not opened it yet, so let's see. This is the wig inside the bag. Look how cute this little baggie is. I love the purple and the gold together. It's very luxe vibe. I love it. Whew. Comes with plenty headbands. You know we all need wig caps, so it has one in there. It's a new color, has 2 pieces in it. And little cute bag. Look at how this cute iridescent bag looks. So let's look inside. It's too cute. Okay, we got some bobby pins. We got a brush for our edges, for our baby hairs. We got this here to lay the wig down, a tweezer. Yes, I love it. It's pretty. And a little cute clip. Too cute. It says Luvme on it. Okay, this bag is so cute. No need to go to the beauty supply store because you got everything in there, okay? So let's get into this wig now. So I'm very excited to try them out because I always hear good things about them and the quality looks good. So let's see. All right, so this is what it's looking like so far here. Look at those curls, and it's soft. Okay, it's not crunchy, it's not hard. All right, let's get into the construction of the wig. Let's see. So it comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. Yep, that's correct. And Velcro, the Velcro straps. All right, so yes, another headband wig. You know, those are my favorites, so can't wait to put this on. But first, we're gonna go ahead and, even though it's shiny already, I'm gonna put some more product in it to make it, you know, a little bit more juicy and pretty. So let's do it. Now this wig is in the deep wave pattern, and it is 18 inches. All right, we're gonna go ahead and spray that wig down with some water. Now we're gonna go in with our favorite mousse, whatever mousse that is. Put in a generous amount. And what we're gonna do is get our brush, and we're gonna brush right through it. I know these curls about to be popping now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. And you know, what I like about headband wigs, it usually don't take long to put on at all. Just maybe like 5 minutes or so. So yeah, it should be easy just like all the other ones, or easier. Let's see. I'm putting in the combs now. All right, I got the combs all secure. I got the back comb secure now. Now I'm gonna put on the Velcro right underneath the hair. That didn't take long, did it? Not at all. So this is what the wig is looking like. We'll put some more mousse in this. All right, let's look at the back. All right, love me. I like this wig. I think y'all would love this wig because this is one of those wigs you just put on and go, just like most headbands are. Very easy. You saw how I did it. It didn't take that long installing it. Easy for those who are in school, who is running late for work, who want something low maintenance when they're out of town. This is the wig for you. So I think that's why you would like this wig. Good quality, okay? I know some of y'all might be like me. I don't like to take long doing my hair. So this is what is beneficial to me. And that's how it's just quick and easy to do. Like I said, it's my first time trying out Luvme hair. I do really like their brand. Like I said, the packaging was perfect. It was beautiful. They had everything. No need to go to the beauty supply store. Had all my accessories to go with this. I did not need to leave to get anything at the store. So everything was quick and easy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and try the different headband wigs on. See which ones y'all like. This is cute little pink one. Too cute. They have this cute purple one. They got this fire orange or this golden orange that I like. And this is one wine color headband, is cute too. And you could just put this in a simple ponytail if you don't want it down on your neck. A simple side ponytail. You can do half up, half down. You see after drying how the curls are bigger now. I have more volume, and so yeah, I do like my hair to look more fuller. All right, thank you again, Luvme, for sending this wig. I love it. I think you guys will love it too. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll see y'all next time.